Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I hope you like this mini vlog type, whatsoever you call it, and you love the beautiful scenery or the view that you can see. I was mesmerized. I never saw Mumbai like this. I've never been to Mumbai before, but now that I have been and I loved it, the scene that it looks from above is just beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoy it and want more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hope you enjoy. Now we're taking off. One, two, three, take off.